largest AI infrastructure project by far in history, and it's all taking place right here in America.
The world of AI is evolving rapidly, and the United States is now making a massive move to stay ahead. A game-changing initiative called STARGET has just been revealed, with key players in the tech industry, including SoftBank's Masayoshi Son, Oracle's Larry Ellison, OpenAI's Sam Altman, and U.S. President Donald Trump. On January 21, 2025, these influential figures came together to announce a private sector-driven project designed to build the most expansive AI infrastructure ever conceived. The total investment commitment is a staggering $500 billion over the next 4 years, starting with an initial $100 billion. The goal is clear. America aims to solidify its position at the forefront of the global AI race. Advanced AI models, such as large language models, require an enormous amount of computing power. This means building vast networks of data centers, specialized chips, extensive cooling systems, and a significant energy supply. Without this critical infrastructure, scaling AI advancements would be impossible. Sam Altman has expressed concerns that without this investment, the U.S. could fall behind other nations, particularly China. The STARGET project will first break ground in Texas, where Oracle is already constructing several large data centers. This includes a 1 million square foot facility, marking the first step in what is expected to be a nationwide expansion. Along with this development, a major boost to the economy is expected, with up to 100,000 new jobs being created right away. Despite the scale of the project, some people are skeptical, especially considering past promises of massive investments that didn't fully deliver. However, the involvement of top-tier partners like Oracle, NVIDIA, and OpenAI gives this initiative a strong chance for success. With Oracle handling the infrastructure, NVIDIA contributing the powerful GPUs needed for AI models, and OpenAI providing the expertise in AI development, this partnership is poised to make a significant impact. For Trump, this initiative is not just an economic move, it's a national security strategy. AI's role in sectors like healthcare, finance, and defense is vital, and ensuring the U.S. leads in these innovations is seen as crucial for maintaining global power. A noteworthy part of the project is its potential reliance on talent from around the world. There have been discussions suggesting the possibility of easing restrictions on specialized work visas, particularly the H-1B visa, to quickly bring in skilled workers, especially from countries like India. This would help fill the talent gaps required for such an ambitious project to succeed. In line with this push, educational institutions are also stepping up to provide the necessary workforce for these advancements. For instance, Rice University in Houston is looking to approve a new AI-focused undergraduate program by 2025, reflecting the increasing demand for AI expertise in the U.S. The scope of STARGET goes far beyond just building infrastructure. It also aims to outpace China's efforts in AI development, while ensuring the U.S. maintains a strategic edge in technology and national security. OpenAI, a leading research lab in AI, has hinted at the transformative possibilities of AI, including advancements in healthcare that could lead to breakthroughs like curing diseases at unprecedented rates. However, the project is not without its challenges. Some critics argue that loosening regulations to accelerate progress could lead to unforeseen risks, but others contend that the global race for AI dominance requires swift action, even if that means adjusting regulations along the way. The construction of these data centers is already underway, and all key players involved, Son, Ellison, and Altman, have shown optimism about the project's potential. If successful, STARGET could mark a new era in AI innovation, with the U.S. remaining at the center of these developments. What do you think about this ambitious project? Could STARGET reshape the future of AI, or is it too much, too soon? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this breakdown interesting, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on the latest in AI and tech developments.